Let's get you details now of Chandrababu Naidu's day one in the CM chair. Naidu started off his day by visiting Tirumala this morning to seek blessings, so kicking off the day on an auspicious note. And then it was down to work, down to business. He's back in the CM's chair in Amravati and first off gave his consent to 5 files. What were these files? The first was the Mega District Selection Committee, which means that he was giving a big push to jobs. He also has repealed the controversial Land Titling Act, something that was promised again by TDP. They said that if they come to power, they will repeal this Jagan-introduced act. Now, Chief Minister Naidu also increased the pension by 4,000 rupees and has reintroduced the Anna canteens, very similar to the Amma canteens in Tamil Nadu. He's also given the nod for a skill development center. So these are the files that he signed off on day one. Now, interestingly, this morning when he visited Tirumala Tirupati, Chandrababu Naidu also announced that he will begin an administrative cleanse from Tirumala. After visiting the temple, he emphasized that he's committed to eliminating corruption and protecting Hindu Dharma in Tirumala. Let's play out for you that comment from Chandrababu Naidu that's got everyone talking.
Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanamtone Prarambham Kavali Prakshalana. ఈ పవిత్రమైన దివ్యక్షేత్రాన్ని అపవిత్రం చేయడం భావ్యం కాదు. తెల్లవారుజామున 3 గంటలకు సుప్రభాత దర్శనానికి వస్తే వైకుంఠం అంటే మనకు తెలియదు. పుస్తకాలను చదువుతాం, వైకుంఠానికి పోవాలని కోరుకుంటాం చనిపోయిన తర్వాత. ఆ సమయంలో ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి వెంకటేశ్వర స్వామి దర్శనం చేసుకుంటే వైకుంఠంలో ఉన్న అనుభూతిని కలుగుతుంది. వేరే వ్యక్తి జ్ఞాపకం రాకూడదు. ఆ పేరుతోనే మొత్తం ప్రక్షాళన చేస్తాం.
All right, so that is Chandrababu Naidu speaking about the cleanse of Tirumala Tirupati, saying that there's a whole lot of rot administratively that we will take care of and deal with. Apurva Jayachandran is joining us with more details on the story. Apurva, what did day one for Chandrababu Naidu look like? He signed off on a whole bunch of files, largely issues and promises that were made by Chandrababu Naidu, saying if we come to power, we will act on all of these fronts, and that's exactly what they've done on day one.
Well, that's it, Akshita. In fact,
all right, apologies. We will reconnect.
What we are getting to learn is that 5 major bills were signed by Mr. Naidu. In fact, this includes some of the poor promises that they had promised, like, increasing the pension to rupees 4,000 rupees, re-establishment of the Anna canteens, as well as, signing the letter to deploy a skill development center. Remember, Mr. Naidu had clearly been talking about how the state of Andhra Pradesh requires a lot of development in terms of skill development centers and for education boost and employment opportunities. And this was one of the first signatures that he had put forth. 5 major, signatures that had been signed today, including that of the poll promises that had been promised by Mr. Naidu. And today, in fact, this was right after his Tirumala darshan there. He had gone to Tirumala early this morning. He had Srivari darshan. Following which he and his family returned back to Vijayawada. They were welcomed grandly, even as Naidu went ahead to to resume office there today. He was welcomed with a grand welcome there by the public of Andhra Pradesh. And
correct. So it was a mega show of strength that we saw in Vijayawada as well. And as he made his way into Amravati, where he signed those files. Thanks very much, Apurva, for those details.